Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Twoguysfinance's business credit card reward program. All right, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you want to do is to log into your Twoguysfinance online banking platform. You could choose to log in on the website, or you could choose to log in on the mobile app. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to select the business credit card account that you want to manage. And then you're going to review your, you can review your reward balance and redemption options. If you find you want to redeem, you can just go ahead and redeem your points. And you can also review and update your reward settings if that's needed. And you can also use Twoguysfinance to track your reward activity. And if there's any questions or concerns you have, you could always just contact Twoguysfinance customer service, and they're going to help you to take care of those. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's business credit card reward program. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next